Let me show you how to create a full Meta Ads campaign using ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Facebook Ads and set the permissions to read plus write. Sign in with your Facebook account, grant access to your pages, and confirm the connection. Select the ad account you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the MCP server URL. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Apps, then create a new app. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Create. The InsightfulPipe MCP is now connected to ChatGPT. Now write the prompt. Ask ChatGPT to create a Meta Ads campaign named MCP Connectors with a $10 daily budget, traffic objective, an ad set with link clicks optimization and audience targeting, and an ad with headline, description, and destination URL all in pause status. ChatGPT connects to Meta Ads through InsightfulPipe and starts building the campaign. It resolves the audience interest, creates the campaign, the ad set, the ad creative, and the ad all automatically. The full campaign structure is created. The campaign has a $10 daily budget with traffic objective, the ad set has link clicks optimization with automatic placements, and the ad has a learn more call to action pointing to InsightfulPipe.com. Let's open Meta Ads Manager and verify. The MCP Connectors campaign is right there with the $10 daily budget. The ad set and the ad are all created exactly as we asked. That's Meta Ads connected to ChatGPT with InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.